Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. This comes to me from DPClubs, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending these to me to share with everyone. I will leave a link to these in my description box, and I just wanted to show that I did get 3 canvases and one other thing. And all 3 canvases came with your regular toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, and your pink single placer pen. So, alright, so I went ahead and I pulled these out and flattened them and, everything so that I wouldn't have to do all that on camera. So, the first one that I got, y'all, I just love these. I absolutely love these. This is called Noble Lady. And this is a 30 by 30. And let me bring y'all down a little bit. But I just thought she was so pretty. And for some weird reason, I do not know why, but she just kind of puts me in mind of Dolly Parton. I don't know why. So anyway, this was $4.99. And as you can see, there's only 7 gems. There's her thumbnail. There's her kit number, canvas number, item number, SKU number, whatever y'all want to call it. Very sticky, but she is very pretty. And y'all, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. It's just something, I don't know if it's the way her face is or I don't know. But she just sort of just hit me as, looking sort of kind of like Dolly Parton. So, I don't know. Just me. So anyway, this has got 7 gems. And let me see. Okay. Here's her bag of drills. And we'll look at these. Alright. So we have got 2 big bags of this color. Those are pretty good and full. And I'm not going to call out the colors because y'all can see them. That is just a regular black. And that is just a regular gray. And then, ooh, look at those. Those are pretty. Those iridescent teardrops. Very pretty. All right. So there's this one. And again, I will put the links in my description box. Okay. I don't remember what I was saying because I paused it because my phone was ringing. But anyway, DPClubs $4.99 for this one. Alright, so I'm going to lay that over there. The next one I got was another Noble Lady. Y'all, I am obsessed. But this one is a 30 by 30. And she has got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different gems, crystals in it. There's a schematic on the top right, bottom left. Very clear. Very sticky. And these are all partials. So this one, let's see. Here's this one. See the number, the item number, K564, K564. So when I go to put these drills in my place that I put all my drills, I'll know that when I get ready to do this one, that the item number is right there on the bag. So, here we go. And then we go into the different colored crystals. And that's it. Very pretty. Alright. Again, $4.99 is the price. And I just think they're pretty. They look like, they just put me in mind of old-timey, like, old portraits. Like, you would go into your great-grandmother's house, and she'd have them pictures with them old picture frames on the wall. That's what they put me in mind of. Except for they're actually color and not black and white. So, there's that one. Now, the last one I got, she's another one, but she has like a square frame instead of the oval or the round. And she is also a 30 by 30. And look at all of her different gems and crystals. Very, very, very pretty. Very sticky. And she was also $4.99. And let me see. This one is hers. Alright. I'll run through this one real quick. She's got more gems than the other two. That's a big teardrop right there. I love these little half pearls. And then that's all of hers. Alright. Am I going to be able to fit that in there? I think I folded this wrong. Oh well, I'll just double the end up. Okay. So, which one do you think is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? Alright, so the last thing that I got was this little knife. I've got a couple, but these are great for, like if you need to, if you put washi tape and section with washi tape, you can take this. I wouldn't put no pressure down on it because you'll cut your canvas. But you can cut your washi tape. You can cut your bags open with them. But what I use it for is my miniatures. Because I'm always cutting wood. I'm cutting out paper. So, yeah, I love these things. So, this, they come in different colors. They've got the red, they've got blue, they have got silver, yellow, purple. Seems like there's about 6 or 7 different colors. But this was 99 cents on DPClubs website. So, alright, so this is all that I got from them. And again, I want to say thank you to DPClubs for sending these to me to share with all of y'all. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite. Hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead. It's free. So, alright, y'all. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you all have a great day. And till my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.